Incremental readings. So basically, I have been mispronouncing, butchering the name of the creator of Supermemo for 4 years straight, and also the CEO in a lesser extent, but I also cover it. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you how is actually pronounced the Polish way, the native way, and then how it's supposed to be the Americanized way. And I have the audio files from themselves, because I don't want to pronounce their name yet. So let's play the audio. You will know what I mean.
Piotr Wozniak.
Piotr Wozniak. Piotr Wozniak. Most of the times I say Piotr. Piotr. I'm adding a schwa, a sneaky schwa there, because Piotr, TR, and no vowel. I don't know if this exists in English, but it's very awkward. So you will be tended to add a schwa, Piotr, and then the name, it's Wozniak. It's pronounced as if it was just a V. Then the I is ignored. So okay, it's there, but you can ignore it. Wozniak. And the Z, yes, it's slightly different than the Z in English, but to simplify is, as I do the same Z. It will be close enough. Let's play the audio again.
Piotr Wozniak.
Piotr Wozniak. The voice is not from him, by the way. This is the CEO of Supermemo, and he will pronounce his name.
Krzysztof Biedalak.
Krzysztof Biedalak. I can guarantee, I know you won't trust me, but I tried this like 20 times already before the recording, and it's above me. I cannot pronounce this at all. At least his last name is easier to pronounce, but basically it's Krzysztof Biedalak. In Spanish, this is Cristobal. It's a lot easier to pronounce. Let's play it again.
Krzysztof Biedalak.
Biedalak. Biedalak. So the is not pronounced. Biedalak. It's kind of easy, but the challenge is his name. That is, oh my god, it's like the final boss.
Krzysztof Biedalak.
There are so many clusters put together without a vowel. Krzysztof Biedalak. And one final is that A. I also got an audio from Piotr himself.
Krzysztof Biedalak, Piotr Wozniak.
Yeah, so it's not so serious like the first one, but at least it's good practice. Still, it's in the reverse order, by the way. Krzysztof Biedalak and Piotr Wozniak. That's my best try.
Krzysztof Biedalak.
He's pronouncing the E there. And he told me, Piotr told me that, hey, my Polish is not the best one. Don't take me as a reference. Because he has been speaking English for so long and neglecting Polish that, yeah, he has not a foreign accent, but it's like not the regular native accent. So I will take in consideration, please let me know if you're Polish or you know Polish and you see this video, how accurate their pronunciation is, especially Piotr's pronunciation and my own. Let me know out of 10 how bad it is. One last time.
Krzysztof Biedalak, Piotr Wozniak.
Piotr Wozniak. The Americanized way. This comes from the guy from Apple, Steve Wozniak. I think in American English this is more open, like in box or bot, like a Discord bot. Wozniak. Don't take me as reference, please. You have the phonetic reading here. And perhaps you notice that in the latest videos I try to pronounce his name the Polish way. Nothing more to add today, and see you incrementally.